Speaking of Pancit Canton, we have Pancit Canton, fresh from Philippines. That's the noodles we will use. Our ingredients is bawang, garlic, sliced onions. You need to slice onions. Then we have here green beans. I have a purple beans. Meron tayong carrots. Slice na pahaba. Meron tayong bell pepper na yellow and red. Meron tayong cabbage. Meron tayong chicken. Meron tayong sausage, bologna or something. And you need soy sauce. Philippines. And meron tayong black ground pepper and salt. That's all our ingredients today for Pancit Canton. I will show you guys how to cook. Very easy and fast. Start our Pancit Canton. Show you how to cook, guys. Meron tayong dito butter. Lagay natin dito sa ating pan. Let it melt. Let it melt. Then, it's already boiling. Kita nyo na, bubol-bol na siya. We'll put our garlic. Speaking 3 times to Nancy Pelosi on the run-up to January the 6th. By the way, you recall the Nancy Pelosi actually said she had no recollection of speaking. Yep. And then I will put it aside. It's too big, so I will put my onions in here. Yep. So halo-halo lang. I want my garlic burn a little. Not so dark, not so no. Nalagay ko yan. Nalagay ko yung this is my chicken. Nalagay natin yung chicken and the sausage. Set aside natin para ma-burn for sure. Okay. We call that gisa. Gisahin natin. Sautéing. So you see that the very dangerous one. So we need to wait for a little while, for a minute, 2 minutes. Okay, we will turn it. Yep. My onions. So, lalagyan natin ng soy sauce. We will put soy sauce. Yeah, soy sauce. We need to put a little soy sauce. Okay. Yeah, chicken side. So, para yung taste. Yeah, let it heat 1 more minute. So you can see your onions and garlic here. Not really burned. So it's nobody for your burning it. Guys, we'll put a little pepper para hindi siya malangsa. Put a little pepper and then so when it cooks, then we will put our carrots. Just cook on a low fire. Yeah, we'll put the low fire in there. So para hindi siya masusunog. So now, mayroon siyang carrots dyan. Mimix na natin so ating onions, garlic, everything. So para yung the taste, mimix siya. Now, after a minute, na nilagay ninyo yung carrots after a minute so that the carrot will not overcook, so you can put your beans. After a minute, we will do that. And it, and we need to cover for a minute. Binuksan na natin siya. We'll put water, a cup, one and a half cup of water. It depends kung gaano kadami, how kadami ang inyong canton or your noodles. Depends. I put mine 1.5 cup of water, so you can add a little later. It's so dry. So cover again. Open na natin. Ayan na siya. We'll put some seasoning. Kung anong merong seasoning kayo dyan. Garlic, bawang, sibuyas. We will put a little salt. Yep. Not much. Okay, then mix natin. Yeah. Now it's time to put our canton. Yep, the top. Huwag niyo i-overcook yung inyong vegetables, guys. Kasi pangit. Just put it there in the top. And then we will cover. Don't mix, just cover it. Wait for 2 minutes. Now, after 2 minutes, it will open again. Yan. Then we can mix it. Some of this mix. It's hard.
Encouraging people to release the statement saying we are positive he's not working with law enforcement. You have to be an idiot not to assume he's working with somebody. So my thought was, well, they didn't mention military intelligence. This guy's a veteran.
And then I just want to taste the water, yung soup niya. Oh, yeah. It's delicious. So that is good enough. Don't put too much soy sauce. Isang beses lang yun. That's the first one. Yeah. This is it. So, this is the beans. Okay. I'm looking, the purple beans getting green, eh? Okay, that's it. And then I will put my bell pepper. That's the last one. And the cabbage, the salad or something. Your lettuce or something, any kind of green na meron sa garden nyo, cabbage, lettuce or something, you can put that. Don't overcook. Okay, then mix it again. And you must be off your stove, so para hindi na siya mag-overcook.
Yeah, that's right. And of course,
off and sit for 1 minute again. Cover natin. So after a minute, open natin. Ito na siya. So one secret, guys, because I'm not using any Ajinomoto or bitsin. I put a little sugar, a teaspoon of sugar. That's the secret, so that hindi siya mapapanis, hindi ma-spoil. So that's the one. We'll mix it again. And fresh. Okay, that's it. Mix, 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 mix. So, green pa yung vegetables natin. Hindi siya overcooked. That's the one, the secret. Don't put yung green vegetables nyo na mga lettuce nyo, mga ganyan. And then, our Pancit Canton. So, you can put egg or something. Ano ba yun? Yung egg na maliit? Yeah. 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 That's it. Yeah, it's perfect. I will scoop out. All done. I will put a little pepper para masarap. And sa top. Okay. This is my Pancit Canton here in Canada. Looks nice, eh? Delicious, delicious, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I will taste it. I will taste it. Okay, I will taste it. I will taste it. I will taste it. Yummy, yummy. Excuse me. My mouth is full. Yummy, yummy. Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.